Let's go! 1. Meniscus sign or Alice curve. 2. Obscured CP angle and split flora sign. 3. Golden's S sign or reverse S sign. 4. That twin sign. 5. Seashore sign and bar code or stratosphere sign. 6. Straight edge air fluid level. 7. Water lily sign or camelot sign. 10. Right upper lobe consolidation. 11. Right upper lobe collapse. 12. Floating fissure sign. 13. Silhouette sign. 14. Continuous diaphragm sign, spinnaker sail or angel wing sign. And Nucleario V sign. 15. Finger in glove sign. 16. Miliary TB. 17. Cannonball appearance. 18. Garland or 1 to 3 sign and panda sign. 20. Eggshell calcification. 21. Holly leaf sign. 22. Cavity with air fluid level. 23. Fungal ball or monad sign or a crescent sign. 24. Tram track appearance, signet ring appearance, and honeycomb appearance. 25. Tree in bud appearance. 26. Halo sign. 27. Reverse halo sign or atoll sign. And peripheral ground glass opacity. 28. Crazy paving appearance. 29. Ginkgo leaf sign. 30. Steeple sign.